Alright, hey, Radio Garage, we're back on the bench. I have probably the most heavily built, customized radio that's ever come out of this shop. I've been working on this one here for a while, off and on between customers' radios. This is a little project that I had come up with when my buddy Frank Beard from Beard Amps said he had some special kits that can go inside radios, so I had to make me up a couple, and that's what is in this baby that you guys probably, some of you have seen the little short that I put up showing this thing, a little teaser video. Hopefully the digits are coming out okay on this. I will go through everything. I'll show you everything that's been done to it. Alright, through the whole kitchen sink at this thing. And here's the really cool part, guys. It's going to be for sale. It is for sale. So get your wallets out. Alright, let's just run through this quick. Let me flip it over. Let me show you what makes this so cool. Alright. I'm going to, well, I got a screw in the case, so I won't be able to take the cover off. But let me go over the front here. We got dual white SMD LEDs, pure green, and pure green for the channel display and frequency readout. These normally come with the dingy, let me see, I got some here. Here's a couple of them that I pulled out. They are just what they call green, and it's like more like a yellowish green. Okay, like this. These are the factory ones. And also what Galaxy does is they put that orange filter lens, I'm sorry, not a screen, in the windows. So I take out the orange, I put in a smoked lens, alright, so it looks really good when it's off. And then I did the pure green, which this is really hard to find right now. These pure greens are, I mean, it's just whatever new old stock that you could find at different places or distributors, because EKL, you know, you guys probably know they don't make this stuff anymore. So yeah, so that's on the outside here. Got a couple other cool little things. Got talkback on the Roger Beep. I'll show you that, and let me get this thing opened up. I'll show you guys a little surprise I got inside there. Alright, here we go. I'll show you what's making all that power. She has a 2879 pill style final transistor. Stock final is a 1969 that's been replaced. This radio came to me, I had this a long time, and I never had a chance to go through it, so I started finally going through it. It had a blown out final, receive was shot, so basically no transit, no receive. I brought it back to life, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to throw one of these kits in it and give somebody a real powerhouse hammer type radio just to kill it on AM. Somebody wants to throw this up in a cubby hole or something in a truck, they don't want to run an external amplifier or something like that. This is a great option. So yeah. So I got it mounted on the side. It's also hard mounted in the back. Okay, it goes into a thick heat sink that this amplifier sits on. It is built in to the RF shielding case. All right, everything's shielded in this enclosure. Then when you put the top on, it basically makes a full case. Power wires coming out here. All right, and got it, of course, bulletproof the radio. It's got the whole shebang. Upgraded AM regulator, modulation pass transistor, your power wires, negative, positive, RF ferrite chokes, caps, modulation circuit, mic amp circuit. Everything's been gone through receive. I did end up throwing the shock key diodes in this one. I'll just zoom in here. Okay, they're right in here. That one there and that one. Just because it was having a little bit of trouble on sensitivity. Why this lighting's being really bad today on this camera, it looks like. And I would think the lighting would be good today because I got light coming in the window. So yeah, this thing is, no, you're not going to have an external speaker, or you're not going to have an internal speaker. You're going to have to run an internal. But yeah, I got a switch on the back. Okay, here's your switch for the amp. This thing is rocking. This is a bad to the bone 66V. Alright, and we'll just go through the demo once more, show you what it's doing. Alright, I'll show you the talkback. Got talkback on the Roger beep, because normally with these, if you have echo on, then you have talkback all the time on. So let me just let you hear this. Right now, let's see, I'll just turn the amp off. Talkback on, echoes on.
1 2 3 4 5. Audio check.
And then if I hit this off, 1 2 3, and the echo's on. I'll turn the echo up a little bit so you can hear it. I have to turn the mic gain down just a hair so we don't get any feedback.
1 2 3 4 5. Check check check. Break break.
And turn that 1 2 3, and it's off. Okay. This has pretty much everything you're gonna want. It's got a 10K. It's got your high-low bands, PA, AM, FM. That's worn off a little bit. The only thing that this radio is lacking is some of the cosmetic stuff as far as imperfections. Turn that down. See the digits better. But see, then when you turn it down too much, then you lose your light over here. It's not as bright as it looks in the camera, of course. But yeah, I mean, full featured rig. Like I said, the only thing you guys are going to look out, whoever buys this, is it's going to go for a good price, because I am taking into consideration that this bezel is banged to hell, okay, and the cases are knocked up, banged up, scuffed up, scratched up, the whole deal. But this radio is for somebody that wants to just use the radio. This is not a collector, you know, showpiece radio. Oh, buy it and put it up and don't use it. This is for somebody that wants to actually get a radio and hammer on it and talk on it. You're not going to care how it looks. You're actually, you know, most of the times you're just going to see if it's mounted up somewhere. You know, you're going to see basically just the front face, depending on how you have it mounted. But anyways, let's go through the numbers here quick. Don't want to make this thing too crazy long. If you have extra questions that you want to email me about or something, that's fine. Here's with the amp off, power all the way down. Show you what it's doing. Less than a watt, half a watt. Turn it up. Yeah, turn my mic gain down. It's catching my voice. Give it a second. It's doing about 5 or 6. Okay. Audio 1 2. Nope, I gotta turn my mic gain up. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Showing about 30 peak. That's a 250 watt slug over there on the bird. Don't worry about that right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn my dead key down. Do about 10. I'd put about, let's see, put about 2 watts into it. Turn this down a little more. Alright, there's about 2 watts. Turn the amp on. Gives us roughly 12, about a 12 watt carrier. Okay, turn the mic gain up. That 250 watt slug over here in peak. Audio check 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 break 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 break. So she's doing just over 100 watts, about 120. Awesome, awesome, awesome radio, and she'll just hammer like that all day. You know, so you just flip the switch, and you got a little pocket rocket that just takes this radio up and away. Audio check, break 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 break. All right. let you hear it over the air. Put it on 22. Here's the monitor radio up there. Around 14.4 volts. Audio check. Break, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Break, break, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Break, break, break. That's with the amp on. I'll put down with the amp off. Audio check. Break, break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she is good to go. Alright, I'll just show you the receive quick and that'll be it. Alright, here's the receive here quick. This thing has nice ears on it. Good sensitivity, -110. Yeah, there's 11 and change. Yeah, just dropped. There's 12, 11, 12. It's bouncing around a little bit. Let's just pull this out, let you hear it. Now it doesn't have an internal speaker, of course, so I'm just going to plug in the external. So it's in there very good. Let's see. Show you. Oh, it's got a brand new meter as well. Let's see, we'll just check S9 here quick. Yeah, I forgot to mention I put a new meter in it too. And we'll come down here. And we got it right dialed in, perfect. S9. Okay. So receiving, not an issue. Not an issue at receive. Which actually, I had the external in. I didn't. I just got to turn up a little bit. You can hear it in there again. Alright. So that's that. And like I said, this is for sale. If somebody wants to grab this one, get in contact with me. Yeah, it's going to be the best thing to do. I'm going to let this go really, you know, at a good price, what I think is a good price considering what it is. Custom one-of-a-kind radio, did everything possibly that you could do basically to a 66V, and all the knobs are cleaned up, all the controls are lubed and everything like that. But yeah, the only thing, like I said, is going to be the bezel, and I'll throw a new bezel in if you want it. The problem is with these is when you try to take these plates, these face plates off, they bend and twist and everything like that. And if you get one of the decal ones, the holes for the actual bezel are bigger than the decal, so the decal wants to like push in, kind of screwy. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, break 19 there. Can I get a radio check? Break 19. How about it? This radio working?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, I just hooked it up. Make sure it's sounding alright. Sound okay on your end?
Yeah, you sound loud and clear. I can hear you from 194 southbound.
Hey, okay. Appreciate it. Thanks for the comeback.
Yes, sir. Stay safe.
Alright, so here's the deal. You have to go on the website if you want to buy it. I'm going to put it on the website. It's going to be on there for sale. And you just put your order in. So this has everything done to it. Best part about it is no wait time. It's built. It's ready to go. DX66v with a 2879 1-pill modulator built in. Custom. And bulletproof upgrade package. Talkback upgraded. Everything's upgraded. Like I said, if somebody wants a bezel or something like that, I'll throw that in. Heavy duty power cord I will also throw in, and anything else you might need, just get with me about it. But yep, just go on the radiograge.com, www.theradiograge.com. 2sc2879.com. Thanks, guys. Good luck. Hope somebody grabs it and enjoys it. We're off the key.